These videos right here you are seeing are not real. They were not shot by a camera or they were not directed physically. All these things were done strictly by AI from just simple prompts. And mind you, this is not Google VEO 3. This is another powerful tool which is looking like it's better than Google VEO 3. And reasons why is because I'll be showing you how to get access to this particular tool for free without any limitations, just like Google VEO 3 where you just have credits that exhaust at the end of the month. So stay with me till the end of this video and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can get access to this tool and how you can use it to create amazing videos just like this ones you are seeing. So let's get started. So this tool is called Seed Dance and it was created by a company called BeatDance, which are the creators of TikTok and also CapCut. That is to tell you that this tool is going to be amazing. And they offer this amazing video creation tool using their platform called Dreamina. So this is the platform right here. So you are going to go further straight into how you can get access to this platform for free. So the first thing you need to do is to turn on a VPN. You actually need a VPN to make this work. So you can use any good VPN. So as for me, I'll be using this VPN called TunnelBear VPN. All you just need to do is to install the Chrome extension. As you can see right here, I've already installed it on my own Chrome extension right here. All you just need to do is to sign up and get a free account, then turn on your VPN. So right here, just click here and you connect to any African country. And there is a reason for this. So just stay with me as we do this. First of all, connect to any African country. As for me, I'm already in Nigeria. Wherever country you are, you can connect to any African country. Let's say Nigeria, for example. So as you can see, I'm already connected. So what I'll do next right now is to sign up on this website. So just click on this one that says sign in. So right here, this is where you sign up. So just click on this one that says sign up and click on sign in. And right here, sign in with a Google account. This is the one I've seen that works. So just sign in with your Google account. And right here, they will require for you to put in your date of birth. Just put anything you want. And just click on next. Okay guys, so here's the platform, and for you to confirm if this is about to work for you, all you just need to do is to check this point that says credits. If it shows 0 credits or this one right here, it means that you do not have access to create with this tool, which means it is not accessible from this country. If you look at it right here, it says coming soon. You cannot generate anything. So right now, what we are going to do is to flip the switch so we can get access to this for free. So all you just need to do right now is to go back to your VPN, and right on your VPN, you can just connect back to another country. As you can see, we have some countries right here. So I'll just connect to this one that says United Kingdom. So I'm connected to the United Kingdom. So what you now need to do next is to refresh this page. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, just after refreshing, we now have access to this tool. So this particular model for this platform is yet to be unleashed to everyone, but as you can see, we can start creating cinematic AI videos and even avatars, and this initially was not accessible to us from the first country we selected from our VPN. So guys, this is how you get access to this tool for free. So let's test this tool and see wonders. Okay, so let's test this tool and see the wonders you can create with this tool. You can either just click video right here, or you click on this one that says create. I'll just click on AI video, and right here you can start describing whatever you want to create. So in order to create your video, you can use the two methods that they have right here, which is creating directly from prompt, or you can add reference image and also create the kind of video that you want. So let me just put in a simple prompt. So once you have inputted a prompt, just click on this point that says AI video and ensure it is on video. And on this one that says video 3.0, ensure you are selecting the latest model. And now for the aspect ratio, select the aspect ratio you want. Is it 16:9, 9:16, 1:1? Depends on you. So 16:9 will give me that like a YouTube video. So let me just leave it that way. Then you can then select your duration. Do you want 5 seconds or do you want 10 seconds? So let me select 10 seconds. And then once you are good, you just click on this one that says generate and allow it to generate the video. So as you can see right here, it is generating. Okay guys, our video is ready, so let's check it out. This is so mind-blowing. As I can see right here, it looks so realistic, like a Hollywood movie. Although there might be some tweaks you might do to it for it to look much more better, but I think this is so amazing. And if you look at the prompt that we use right here, it says a character walks through a steam rising from a manhole. Can you see this manhole and a steam coming out right here? And it now talks about the footsteps. If you look at his footsteps happening right there, and then he lights a cigarette. If you look at it, this is it. He smokes a cigarette. So this is so amazing. And one thing about this compared to Google VEO 3 is that you can do some more tweaks by yourself. You can edit it. If you look at it, you can add some stuff right here. You can interpolate it. You can upscale it. You can even generate soundtrack, like add soundtrack, as this is happening right here, because this one is the one that doesn't carry any audio. We are going to be testing out the one that comes out with audio, just like Google VEO 3. But as you can see, you can even regenerate these with much more better prompts to have a much more better videos. So right now, let's do something amazing. Let's test out some prompts from Google VEO 3 right here on Dreamina and see how it looks. So right here on Google VEO 3, we know that these are some of the prompts that they generated. And we know that before they even got this prompt, it took them some time. So let us use this right now to generate some prompts on Dreamina. So this is the outcome of the first one, comparing it to Google VEO 3. As you can see, it's realistic, it's amazing, and it has its own flair. And this is the second one, comparing it with Google VEO 3. As you can see, so realistic, and it's just so amazing, guys. So this is another tool that you can use totally for free, and you can create videos without limit, without any credit limit. So let's test out the amazing part, which is creating character token videos just like Google VEO 3. So right back at the creation panel, you see this point that says AI video. Just click on it and select this one that says AI avatar. And right here, you click on this one that says avatar tumbo. And then sure you select this first one that says avatar pro. Now this one gives your video much more better quality. So once you do that, then the next thing you need to do is to now add an image of the person you want to be talking. You understand, the character you want. Just upload that avatar right here. As you can see, I've added a character right here. Then the next thing now is the speech. Now, what makes this tool much more amazing compared to Google VEO 3 is that you can put in your own speech. Unlike Google VEO 3, it creates videos with its own generated voices, but you can put in your own personal voice if you want to. So right now, just click on this point that says speech, and you can just generate from text, or you upload your own audio. So if you add your audio, you can just upload your audio right here and use your audio. But if you don't have, you can also just click on this point that says generate from text, and right here you enter the text you want the avatar to read. So right here, just space what you want your character to say, and as you can see, there are different voices right here that you can choose from, both male and female and even children, which makes this so amazing. So I'll just paste in what I want this my character to say right here. Okay guys, so I just pasted something right here, so let's test it out. And because of my character is a female, I'll just select a female right here. Let's go to female, and let me just select this first one right here that says Lily. I don't know the voice, so let's just use it like this and just click on add. And once you have done that, just click on these points to generate your video. Okay guys, so my video is ready, so let me just play it so you get to see right here.
VEO 3 dropped strong, but Dreamina AI just leveled up the game. It's cleaner, bolder, and somehow more human. If you're still on VEO, you might be a few frames behind.
Okay guys, as you can see, this looks so amazing, although I can still regenerate to have something much more better, which is avoiding her holding this stuff that is showing like a camera on her hands. But in general, as you can see, I just inputted an image and also just gave it a prompt with a voice, and it outputted this amazing video. So I believe you're already imagining the kind of videos you can create from the top of your head with this tool. This tool is mind-blowing, and what you can do is that you can pair this tool along with Google VEO3 to create amazing videos for different kind of purposes. So guys, this is how you get access to SeedDance 1.0 for free without any limit, and you can use it to create amazing videos. I'll be doing more videos on how you can use this platform to generate mind-blowing videos, so ensure that you stick to the channel. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop these videos. So that being said, talking about videos, this is another video that YouTube wants you to watch on my channel. I will see you on that video.